Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how I organize my wardrobe, and because I live in an island, it goes without saying that the space is something that I always struggle with. However, I have tried my level best to make maximum utilization of the space that I've got, because I have loads of clothes. So let me go ahead and show you how I organize, fold and keep my clothes. These wardrobes are from IKEA that I recently purchased when I moved to this country, and I'm going to show you how I have used this wardrobe. So without further ado and much rambling, let's get started. So this wardrobe organization, I'm going to make two parts of it. The first part will consist of the clothes. Part 2 will show you how I organize and keep my cosmetics and jewelry. So let me go ahead and show you the part 1 of this video. So this is how unorganized my wardrobe is right at this moment, because I have not organized it for a couple of weeks now. So I'm going to organize and show you how I manage this space, and I will also show you how I organize this part of the wardrobe, which consists of body creams, body mist and my perfume. In part 2 I'll show you how I organize my lipsticks and also my jewelries. So let me go ahead and show you this part first. So this is how my wardrobe is right now, pretty unorganized, and let me go ahead and organize this first. I use a ton of hangers because I like to display all my clothes that I wear frequently. So let me go ahead and clean this entire area up. This is something that I keep inside my wardrobe. This is called a dehumidifier, and it catches a lot of water, if you can see. And I clean this up and I put it back inside so that my dresses, my clothes, they don't capture moisture, and so that they don't capture fungus either. So these are all the clothes that I have, and I'm going to go ahead and organize them, fold them and keep them properly inside the wardrobe. My jeans and my shorts in this extreme corner. So this is where my jeans and shorts stay. So as you can see, I have kept my woolens here, my jeans and shorts over here, and here I'm going to keep my skirts. I will try to color coordinate and keep the dresses so that it becomes easier for me to search them. Like I said, I'm going to color coordinate them, so I'm going to organize them like this, and I will move from colorful to neutral colors. So that's how I'm going to organize. And here comes my blues. So this is how I have organized my wardrobe. Um, till this portion, all my dresses are organized according to the color from dark to light. And this part consists of my tops, again color coordinated from dark to light. This way I know which one is where and it becomes easily accessible for me. So this is how it is, and I have displayed everything on the hanger. I think I have my jean and my shorts over here, and here I have my woolens, and here are my skirts, and these are few clothes that I do not wear, and here are my belts. So this looks pretty organized. These are all the dresses and tops that I have over here, and I find it pretty organized, neat and tidy. This space, as you can see, is very unorganized because, like I said, I have not been able to clean my wardrobe for a few weeks, and this is how it looks right now. Let me go ahead and organize this as well, so keep on watching. Like you can see, I have cleaned the entire surface, and I have pretty much organized my perfumes so that I know which one is where, and it becomes easily accessible to me. So this is how the perfumes look right now. Let me go ahead and organize the body mist and the body creams. I'm going to keep all the powders and the face powders over this area. I'm going to keep my body butters and body creams over this area. Samples and testers on this one. I have these two badges from Maybelline, and I will keep them over here. Comb and brush at the center. My jade roller. My makeup foundation and my tint over here. So this is how this compartment looks like. I've pretty much organized it the way I want. So this area consists of face powder, my hair serum, and the samples and testers. Towards the back, I have all my perfumes displayed over there. And here I have body mists and body cream. how my wardrobe looks right now. Like I said, have color coordinated them, and I have separated the dresses from the tops that I wear. And in this compartment you can see how I have organized my perfumes and and my body mist and body creams and all those good jazz over here. So this is the part 1 of my wardrobe organization video. I'm going to bring the part 2 as well, so stay tuned for that. So that's all for this video, folks. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, do not forget to hit the bell notification so that every time I upload a video you are notified. And all my social media handle will be listed in the description box down below, so go follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and also on Instagram. And I'll see you on my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.